My dear brothers and sisters, the readings we have heard today speak about Jesus' transfiguration. In the first reading, we heard about the vision of prophet Daniel. Daniel lived about a couple of centuries maybe before Christ in the world. In the vision, what does he see? The Son of Man in his glory, and everyone prostrating and praising him. Now, who is the Son of Man Daniel talking about? He was talking about Jesus himself who will come into the world in the course of time. Gospel passage we heard about Jesus taking 3 disciples on a mountain. Now, why a mountain? For the Jews, mountain was in a way a holy place. It was a place where God and man met. We know that the Jews believed that God was high above the heavens. And whenever you want to speak to man, he will come down. That's today a gospel as we heard. He come down and man will go up on the mountain. So there's a meeting place for God and man. An encounter God will have with men, encounter man will have with God. And therefore we heard that as on a mountain, for the first time in the life of the 3 apostles, they saw Jesus actually who he was. Not just other human being, but God himself. That was confirmed by the voice they had, "This is my beloved Son, to listen to him." And we heard the reaction of the apostles. They were so happy, excited. So let us live here all our life. And what did Jesus answer? Let's go down back to the world and listen and live our normal life, listening to the voice of God. In today's world, we hear so many voices, the voice of God may make us drowned, and we cannot hear God's voice. So it's need to give some time to God every day, at the morning and evening, read the text and listen to what God is telling us while reading the gospel, reflect, and to live accordingly. The disciples are told, let's go down, live. The life is not going to be easy. You're going to have crosses. You will hear about the Son of Man being crucified and died. But live that life. We ask God to give us the grace that we listen to his voice all the time. And at the end, even our bodies will be transfigured like that of Jesus.